Is your Ria, and we are experimenting today. So I was lately thinking to buy some Korean products for my skincare, and I realized they are very costly. First of all, and secondly, I was discussing with my mom, and she said कि ये सब तो तू घर के products use करके भी achieve कर लेगी ना. And I was like, yeah, kind of a point. So I thought let's give it a try for fun for a week. That I'm gonna use household products which are in our kitchen, and we'll see that how the glow up happens. So today is day one of doing that. So obviously, if you know me, I ChatGPT everything, and ChatGPT started off with a rice water toner. So what I did is I took 2 tablespoons of rice in a jar and I kept it overnight, and now it's like all fermented and all. Like morning and night daily routine is to cleanse your face and apply that toner on your face. So I'm gonna do that, and then उसके बाद मैं बताती हूँ कि हम day one में क्या करने वाले हैं. Okay, let's do it. Also, I'm cleansing my face with this. Let's go. Cleanse on that, and this is what my water looks like. It has travel inside it. So according to ChatGPT, ये 2 दिन तक चलता है. Plus my skin has nothing. मतलब I guess इस मौसम बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो गई है skin. We will give it a good shake. You see it already. This is complicated. तो मुझे कल शुरू करना था, कल कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई. अब मैं करने लगी कॉटन बैग्स में रख के थे. So I bought a little cotton only. Cotton bags नहीं, कौन से चलाने हैं. यार इस तरह से काम नहीं है. मतलब वो ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं ऐसे जो कोचिंग करते हैं वो बोला कि ब्रो कुछ बोला था हमने, इतना सारा हमने तुझे वीडियो और रील्स दिखाई थे ये फॉल. I love it. Not gonna lie, I just love. It feels good. I don't know if it works or not, but the rice water feels good on face. But I feel it will work in few days. Consistency रखेंगे तो. That's me being positive about each and every thing in life. I'm gonna oil around it, and then we will apply moisturizer on this itself. Yeah, and applying rose water, and then we're gonna apply this. मेरा moisturizer actually ना खत्म हो रहा है. This is my mother's. और मैं ऐसे हल्की लाल skin पे ही लगा रही हूँ because my skin was feeling very dry. Because of the weather or something, I don't know what's happening to my skin, but I have a combination kind of a skin, but it's getting drier more आजकल. So I'm gonna apply on the face. It's nice. So day one, and the next thing that we need to do is to use ice on our face. It's actually for the inflammation on your skin. To be honest, I don't have any, but let's do it for the sake of doing it. You have to keep one ice cube in any clothes that you want to, just like that. Apply on it. You have to do it for 30 seconds. मुझे हेयर बैंड लगा लेना चाहिए था. I forgot. I'm just refilling it because मैं कुछ करने लगी थी और मेरी ये मेल्ट डाउन हो गई. Just do it again. This is very relaxing. I don't know about anything else, but अच्छा लग रहा है. Face पे ठंडा 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 ठंडा. I just realized I have glitch of why I'm not putting it. Yeah. We are done, or I will let it stay for some time. And फिर उसके बाद मैं जो राइस टोनर मैंने बनाया था, I will apply that, and that's it. And moisturizer obviously if required. ये jawline देख लो, jawline आ गई, jawline. I always had it. तो कुछ आ नहीं रहा है, कुछ जा भी नहीं रहा है, which is a good place to be at. See you tomorrow for the day 2 routine. Hi guys, it's day 2 of me trying Korean skincare with household products, and today is the day where we are going to use honey on our skin. So we are going to apply a thin layer of honey on our skin, and we'll leave it for 10 minutes, and that's it. Okay, so I have applied the honey mask on my face. So till it dries up, I have to keep it for 10 minutes. So okay guys, I just washed my face and I have applied the toner as well. Rice water. It's good enough. I don't know what to say. See you tomorrow for day 3 of Korean skincare. Guys, it's day 3 of me trying household products for my skincare, and according to ChatGPT, the third day contains
cucumber slices, so you have to cut it small slices and you have to keep it on your eyes, cheeks and face, and we have to keep it in the fridge for like 10 to 15 minutes and वो ठंडा आपको apply करना है. So we'll do that. Plus I got myself a lip gloss which is literally this much bro. Let's see, I'll try and show you कि कैसा है ये वाला. Honest, this smells amazing, but let's apply. Pretty nice, see? Little shine to it, but it's nice. I feel like eating it because बहुत fruity है ये. And this is from Rene. Small और मुझे सिर्फ delivery charges हटाने थे तो मैंने ये ले लिया है. I refrigerated these slices for more than half an hour, I guess now. Now I will be putting it on my skin. I can't speak much, I guess. Yes, we'll keep it for 10 minutes and then we'll remove it. And so actually I have kept it for a pretty long period of time and मैंने rice water भी लगा लिया है and that's how my skin looks like. Yeah, I'm not sure कि कुछ काम करता है या नहीं, but I'm liking it. It's fun. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है सब चीज़ें करके. But see you tomorrow for day 4. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's day 4 of me trying household products as my Korean skincare. So basically, I don't know what the skincare is doing to me, but बहुत सारे pimples आने शुरू हो गए हैं. I have 2 on my nose, I have on this side of the cheek. So I don't know if I should be continuing this or not, but आज तो हम कर रहे हैं. So the first thing that ChatGPT said was the double hydration, जो मैं already कर रही हूँ, because उसमें कुछ नहीं है, आपको 2 बार toner लगाना है, and then you have to apply moisturizer. तो वो तो मैं daily basis पे कर रही हूँ. तो on top of that, ChatGPT asked me to make a sheet mask, and that I have to apply. So rice water में tissue paper को dip करके लगाना है. तो if I dip tissue paper in the rice water, वो इतना clumsy हो जाएगा कि face तक तो नहीं पहुँचेगा, वो कुछ और ही हो जाएगा उसका हाल. तो I had an idea that I'm gonna put the tissue paper on my face and then I have to spray the rice water and it will stay. We are hoping that will happen, and if it doesn't happen, तो कोई बात नहीं, दिख जाएगी. Let me just put my hairs back. Yeah, pretty much. I'm thinking should I cut off the eyes या फिर मैं spray कर दूँगा फिर उसके बाद cut कर लूँ. Spray कर देती हूँ थोड़ा. करेगी नहीं सही से. I know my skills. Do I look like a Halloween? Yes, I do. But let's see after 10 to 15 minutes what happens. Guys, I'm done with the mask thing. पता नहीं कितना super annoying था, मैं तुम्हें बता भी नहीं सकती हूँ. Don't try it at home. मैं पता नहीं क्यों ही करा ये. I was annoyed, but मैंने उसे dry होने तक उसको लगा के रखा and it's all done. That's how my skin looks like. Right? But I guess मुझे pimples वाली cream लगाती हूँ मैं. And see you tomorrow for day 5. Bye. Hi guys, this is day 5 of me trying household products for my Korean skincare, and आज के दिन there was milk that we need to use on our face so that पता नहीं क्या होगा उससे. तो मैंने ChatGPT को बताया कि bro pimples आ गए हैं, करना क्या है. तो ChatGPT ने बोला कि you can give it a break and all, but मैंने रात को क्रीम्स लगा ली थी तो थोड़े बैठ गए pimples. तो मैंने सोचा कि कर ही लेते हैं. तो ChatGPT want me to splash milk on my face, which I'm not gonna do because I'm not sure कि ठंडा दूध क्या करेगा मेरे फेस को, क्योंकि ठंडा मुझे लग रहा है कि is the reason कि breakout हो रहा है, because ice जो मैंने लगाया था वो it's all ठंडा, that's why it's happening. I think so. That's why मैंने लिया है normal temperature पे milk and उसके अंदर मैंने 2 tablespoon milk लिया है, उसके अंदर 1 tablespoon water mix किया because I don't want the concentrated one because maybe oils might react. I don't know what's happening, so we will be cautious as much as we can. And I'm gonna apply this on my face, keep it for some time, and then rinse it off. And then I'm gonna apply rice water and moisturizer. Yes, that's gonna be the routine. So मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कैसा लग रहा है. Okay? So it's been almost half an hour I've kept this, and now it's time to wash it off and see कि मेरी skin कैसी लग रही है. Done rinsing off my face, and I'm gonna just dry it up and apply toner on my face, and that's it. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow for day 6. Bye bye. Guys, this is day 6 of my challenge, and I have to abort this challenge now because firstly the pimples जो मैं already handle कर रही थी, which is like okay, but मेरा throat खराब होना शुरू हो गया and it's early sensations, और आगे जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं it's all ice and ठंडा and all. मैं भी ठंडा avoid करने वाली हूँ, तो मैं भी रोक रही हूँ, but other time maybe हम लोग पूरा कर पाएंगे ये challenge. Till then, it's a goodbye. If you like the video till now, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, let me know in the comment section which other things I should try, and I'll surely give it a try. And bye bye.